Hey, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video today, with spring being in full effect, I'm going to show you one of the most common causes that happens this time of year. And a lot of questions are always popping up on social media, Facebook, Instagram. People asking, what are these and what it is? And I'll show you in this video. Let's get to it. All right, so why does our lawn turn to seed heads? Well, this is a yearly occurrence that always happens between May and June time frame, and that's when our temperatures rise and there's more moisture in the air, which helps produce the rapid growth of our lawns. The reproduction of the seed heads themselves is a natural process of the lawn. When you have the seed heads in your lawn, this is a good indication that the lawn is healthy and growing. There's no way to really avoid the seed heads from coming in. The best practice is to stay on top of your mowing to prevent them, and after a few weeks, the seed heads will go away. One of the best common practices is mulching the seed heads back into your turf and your lawn, so that way you get the nutrients back into the soil. As you can see here in this video, there's some fescue seeds and Kentucky bluegrass seed. This is what they look like in the lawn itself. This right here is Poa annua, so I included that in there so you can kind of see the difference between the two cool seasons that I have in our yard here, which is the tall fescue obviously and Kentucky bluegrass. So hopefully you understand now what's going on with the lawn when you get these seed heads that are popping up. It's nothing to be afraid of. It's the natural process of the lawn that's reproducing itself. Hopefully you got some valuable information out of this. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate the support of the channel, and I have a lot more coming this spring and into the summertime. Be safe, and we'll see you in the next one.